Hi everyone, my name is Irene Merida. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Istation on your computer, and also I'm gonna show you where you can find the links to download Istation for your phone or your tablet. So the first thing that you will need to do, you will need to go to Istation. So you can either find it in here or up here. Let's find Istation. So it's this one, istation.com. Once you're here, you will click on download and technical info. You will scroll down, and in here you will see here you have the link to download for the iPad, for an Android device. If you have a Chromebook, a Chrome device, this will be it. This will be the link. If you're using a regular computer with Windows, like the one that I have, this is your link. And if you're using a Mac, this is your link. So I'm gonna go and select this one because that's the one that I have. Download. So it went down here. Once it's done, I'm going to open and install it. There it is. Open, install path, installed. Just you can choose the default installed. Next. Okay, so now this screen is going to appear just the first time that you download Istation, or if you erase it or delete it from any device, you will need to go through this screen. And this screen is very important. Where it says domain, in here you will write the name of our school, Orem, and here you have it, orem.ILTexas. This is the one. Click it. Just click OK.
Please enter your username and password.
Here we are. So now you will just need to enter the username and the password of your child. That will be provided by your teacher, or most likely your son or daughter. They will know their username and password. Just make sure that in here, up here, you see the orem.iltexas.com, .tx. So you can log into Istation without any problem. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.